Everyone, welcome to another Tammy Cam video. We got Matthew Stout and Nick Hayes back for another video, and I'm going to regret this one.
No, you're not.
Tell them what we got. Let's see here.
Courtesy of me.
Volcano chicken noodle ramen noodles. That's crazy hot. With the chicken breathing out fire.
And crying.
And crying too. This is not a good sign for a video. But for views, what the hell? You ready?
No. Let's do it. I think there's only one there. Oh, there's two. And there's two. Oh, you got this.
Huh? I got this.
You gotta be smarter than the bowl.
Wow. Okay.
Spoon it up.
It burns your nose hairs.
It's red.
And it's sticking together.
Good.
Give me the smallest.
I'll give you the most, champ.
I'll take one noodle.
Yes.
This is dangerous.
Oh.
Jesus.
Nah.
What the fuck?
That one's yours, Cameron.
That one belongs to Cameron. That's the second one.
Oh,
Cameron gets the second one because he's Cam.
Yeah, this is the Cammy Cam show, so he gets the most.
I do, huh?
Yeah.
These are like hard to get apart, dude. Whatever the hell is in this is not coming apart.
Who doesn't want to separate it?
Nick. Okay, this is...
Who wants to do the Lady and the Tramp with me? This is the night. It's a beautiful night.
We're sticking with that.
Oh God. Oh God.
We got this. We got this.
Okay.
Oh.
Should I do it in one bite like last time?
Do you want to do it in one bite?
Hell no.
Why don't you?
This one looks more dangerous.
It's red, everybody.
My blood is gonna bleed.
That's kind of what it looks like.
Here we go.
Yeah. Cammy took the first bite.
Oh my God. I'm gonna use the milk on this one.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh shit.
I'm sweating.
What made you eat?
I'm gonna. Oh my God.
Oh wow.
I'm turning this one in.
You sure?
Oh no.
Ooh, sweet.
The milk doesn't help. It burns even more.
You're not helping.
I'm telling you, the milk doesn't make it go away.
Yeah, this kid. I believe in you.
Oh my God. It doesn't help.
Cammy can. Cammy can.
Oh
God.
help. It's not going, the burn's not going away. My lips burn, my tongue burns, my throat burns.
This is worse than that one.
Yeah, this is definitely worse. I told you that one was nothing compared to this. How long are you gonna go? I can only make it like 10 seconds. And it still burns even after 2 cups of milk.
Yes. I'm crying.
Tingles.
Pretty good.
This ain't even the good hot. This is a hot. I'm impressed. You've gone.
I am.
He hasn't finished it, but he's gone this far without. You're
Jamie
getting.
Kim's a champ on this one.
He's definitely getting better with the spicy.
He's a champ.
I don't know if he's at champ level yet, but he's definitely advanced since his early days. Yeah. I don't know what you're trying to be. You okay?
Fuck this.
Feeling lightheaded?
Yeah.
Oh, God, I just coughed up some hot juice. Oh, God. I'm just going to drink this jug.
How do you like 3/4 of it though so far?
You're dominating, man.
You got us both to drink before you. I mean, we did finish it first, but still.
Oh, shit.
Well, my nose is...
Come on.
We have a new guest. Open!
Open sesame.
Open! Come and join the episode.
Hi, I'm in pain.
You just missed it. We just finished the hottest noodles we've had.
Guys, welcome Rachel. You don't want to show your face.
No.
Say hi, Rachel.
Hi.
Hi, Rachel. It's not working.
Is it hot?
He hasn't taken a drink yet.
Does he have to eat the whole thing?
Yeah. He finished ours, but he's holding
He's
up.
struggling.
He's still in the game. He hasn't taken it. Oh, he's gonna take a drink. Are you gonna go finish it? Oh.
Is it worse than the last spicy noodle?
Yes. A lot worse. Can confirm. The other one was child's play.
I was gonna say that one wasn't. It was spicy, but not too bad.
He couldn't quite make it to the very end, but he lasted a good while. And he's got milk running, running down his mouth.
I think I got like 3/4 more.
You good? I'm impressed.
The milk isn't working.
No, I told you it doesn't.
Oh,
it
it's
still
not
burns.
helping.
It still burns. You're gonna have to use swallow. So yeah.
Okay. The heat.
The heat. It's hot in here. Yeah.
Oh, that milk is not helping.
Maybe we
Ice
should.
cream.
The ice cream. But that's for a whole episode on its own. So we got some good ice cream. Fancy ice cream.
Why we can still talk.
You're sweating like me.
And me.
The volcanic chicken noodle,
Don't buy it.
hot ramen noodles. On a hot level, what would you rank it?
On a hot level,
Volcano.
I'd say a 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
This has to be hotter than a lot of the hot stuff we tried
This
so
is
far.
probably one of the hottest.
One of the hottest, unless we try something hotter.
So far. Well, we probably will, knowing what we have coming up.
Okay.
Yeah, this stuff isn't a joke.
Volcanic chicken noodle, hot ramen noodles. Go try them if you want something real hot. They're not something to take lightly. And milk doesn't help.
It helps when it's in your mouth, but once it's gone,
it just comes back.
it burns right again. Are you gonna finish it for the episode?
One more for you guys.
You got this, kid.
One more noodle. He's crying. There's tears coming out of his eye ducts.
My body's telling me no. Oh God.
My body's telling me yes.
You guys are welcome. Okay, well, that's the volcanic chicken noodle hot ramen noodle challenge.
It's lava.
It is hot.
What would you rank it on the hot scale?
As far as as far as everything I tried so far,
COVID.
A 10 out of 10 on the hot scale as far as everything I tried so far, but it's only going to get worse from here on out on videos.
Yeah, the next ones will probably be like a 13
Yeah.
out of 10.
But yeah, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is Matt, Nick, and Cameron. I hope you guys laughed your asses off. Subscribe to the channel and write a comment if you enjoy all these videos. And stay tuned for more from with me and different guests and everything. Thank you guys for joining and have a great one. Take care.